Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can log in to Like app. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So we could see there's a Like app right there. So I'm simply going to tap it there. And here we just landed to For You page. We could see a lot of videos. And on the bottom right corner, there's a profile button. So I'm going to tap it there as well. So see, we have a lot of options here. We could either create an account and log in with Facebook and phone emails. So we can choose any of them. So I'm simply going to choose on login with Google, and here's a term of privacy policy. So we have to tap it to agree and continue. And we could see there's a lot of options to choose an account for email address. So I'm going to pick third one and just tap it there as well. And now it's logging in. And on the top right corner there's a skip, so I'm going to skip it. So guys, we could see I just logged into my account, and this is how you can log into Like app just like I did in this video. I hope this video is helpful for you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and also comment down below if you have any queries.